Hello, welcome to new video. This is we are to short how to short user form. Okay, this is important study to class. Please like you subscribe and like button and any comment share to your friends. Okay, you go to this form is class lesson 35. Excel sheet added new data editor using this class. You check it description, this class and the link. Okay. We added one command button 6, one command button 7. Command buttons caption here, command buttons caption Z. Okay, we go to command button 1 here. Command Z. Yeah, this command button yeah. Okay, right. So, okay, command button yeah, command B. We are write to some code. Okay, sheet select. Okay, select. I skip the write this code. Sheet range. Okay, short yes, short and key. Okay, this code is here. Okay, this many this key code. Okay, key 1 order. Okay, this model. Okay, you write this. Okay, copy here. Copy after copy. Okay, check here to yeah. Okay, this order. Okay, look at this here. One look this yeah BB. Its name. This name B is column name. Okay. Now this sort is look sort. Okay. Okay, sort. But this is the heading sort. Heading also sort. Now, so we are study heading not sort. Another sort. Okay. Go. Okay. We have to. This is order. Okay. Order ascent is ex. Audio ascent is okay. Check. So we first check the heading. Okay, header. Header is first checking. Header is yeah. Okay. Header is yes. Is no header no yes header no. Okay. This rating header. Header here. Okay. Header. The header. Many messages here. Yes. Excel yes. Okay. Now checking. Okay. Now it is okay. Checking. Okay. Okay. Now checking. Z. Okay. Getting not to come. This Z to top. A to last. Or the opposite. Okay. How to come opposite? You go to opposite. Is remove cancel here. Okay. Now is order. How to order? Okay. Okay. Order. So this ascending. Okay. This ascending. Copy here. So order are descending. We are checking. Descending. Okay. 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 Now Z. Yeah. Okay. Now this okay. Right working. Now we this go to this Price ascending descending. Okay, how do price go? Simple not code is a B. Okay, C. This C. Okay, price descending. Okay, C sort. Okay, now price. Okay, look at price. Okay, 10 to 60. 60 to 10. Now look at this serial number. This explains your serial number. Explains is a good. Yeah. Yeah. Yemen. Okay. 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 This is another model. Okay. Two model you study this. No problem. Two model. Okay. We are copy here. Paste this comment. Okay. Copy here. Paste this comment. Okay. This right here some code. Okay. Range is column C O columns A B C. Okay. Okay. This column. Okay. This column. Copy. Understand two model. If you like model, you should do. Okay. Now checking. Okay. This okay. Now is pricing. Check your very good address. A B C C column price. Okay. Now check price. Okay. 10 to 60, 60 to 10. Okay. Now is important. This is how to use an important. Okay. We have used it to important. This is copy. This any copy no model is if you like model copy. Okay, this copy. Now copy this copy and go to form and save button and paste and your name BB. Okay. Full no problem. Okay, full come. Okay. The save button. Oh, no check-in. We have to the working. Okay. Now we new added number is any number 25. This added is 0 planned. Any name 0 planned. 0 planned. Okay. 0. I think any rate is 0 not a year. Area. Rate this name and save. Okay, come here. Alphabet model. Okay. Now we are right into any model. T. Okay. So to here. Okay. This is more alphabet model. Okay. Now we are changed to sugar is sandwich. See. A1 sandwich. Okay. Now come. Okay. Yeah. Now this is class understand. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Subscribe is very low. Please like and subscribe and share your friends.